Good morning, children. After midterm, we are moving ahead with a new chapter that is called decimals. Children, in our daily life, we come across with many examples like these. Now, let's discuss these examples first. You went to market and you ask, Bhaiya, please give me 2.5 kg apples. You find that you are having temperature 98.5 degree Celsius. You scored 95.6 percentage in your class 5 and you pay rupees 18.50 for a notebook. So children, in all these examples, what is common here? This point is common, which is called decimal. This point is called decimal. Now children, we have discussed Indian system of numeration in our previous chapters. But we have discussed ones, tens, hundred, thousands. These were the places of, these were the different places of numbers. When we multiply 1 by 10, we used to get the next digit. When we multiply 10 by 10, then we used to get 100. Then 100 multiplied by 10, then we used to get the 1000. This way we used to multiply by 10 by 10, multiply the first digit by 10, then we used to get the next digit. Yes, if we want to get the place value of right side, अब हमें place value right side की चाहिए, तो we used to divide. अगर हमें 1000 से 100 चाहिए तो we are dividing by 10, 10, 10. Yes, this we have discussed in our earlier chapters. Now, what is the decimal? What is the place value chart of decimal places? How we will do? How we will represent the decimal places in this chart? Let's see. अगर आप 1 को दोबारा 10 से, अब राइट साइड चाहिए हमें, डेसिमल प्लेस इज ऑलवेज ऑन द राइट साइड. अब 1 को अगर आप 10 से डिवाइड करते हो तो यू यूज टू गेट 1/10. यस, फिर आप 1/10 को दोबारा से 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो यू आर गेटिंग 1/100. यस, नाउ हाउ यू विल राइट दीज 1/10 एंड 1/100 फ्रैक्शन. 1/10 और 1/100 को फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? वी विल राइट इट एज टेंस. 1/10 is written as tens. It means 1/10 is equal to tens. 1/100, how you will write 1/100? You will write it as hundredths. So 1/100 is equal to hundredths. And 1/1000 is equal to thousands. But how you will separate these place value with these? How you will separate it? You will separate by putting a decimal. Yes, this is called, this point represents decimal, which separates these place values with decimal places. Clear? Decimal consists of two parts. This part is called whole number part, and this part is called decimal part. And this point is decimal. Clear? Now you have been given this figure. You have to represent this figure in fraction as well as in decimal. How you will represent in fractions? We have done in our previous chapter also fractions में. Okay, how many are total parts? जो total parts है you will represent in the denominator. How many are total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total parts are 10. How many are shaded parts? They are 3. This is fraction form. How you will represent in decimal form? 3 as it is लिख दो. Yes. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 1. So you will put 1 here. Clear? Now next, circle form is given to you. How many are total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total parts are 10. How many are shaded parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are shaded parts. This is fraction form. How you will represent in decimal form? Write 7 as it is. Yes. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. So you will put decimal before 1 decimal. So the answer is 0.1.